your friend Shit Paramveer, and today we'll be doing important questions from the chapter Light. So very warm welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So guys, again reminding you about the doubt clearing which I'm gonna conduct on my channel this Saturday to fill the Google form which is given in the description of this video, and you can ask me the doubts from science for class 8. Moving on, guys, this is the new series that we are starting of important questions from each chapter, and let's get started. First question we are gonna do is, what makes us things visible? Guys, this is an important 1 mark question and this is super easy. Obviously, ice makes us things visible. Moving on, define incident ray. Guys, this is a question for 2 marks and the answer for it is the light ray which strikes any surface is called incident ray. Third question, what is normal? This is a question for 2 marks. Normal is the point where incident ray strikes the mirror. Differentiate between angle of incident and angle of reflection. This is a question for 3 marks. Angle of incident is the angle between normal and incident ray. Angle of reflection is the angle between normal and reflected ray. This is the angle of incident and this is angle of reflection. This is reflected ray and this is incident ray. Moving on, this is the 5th question. State the laws of reflection. This is an important question for 2 marks. The first law of reflection is angle of incident I is always equals to angle of reflection R. Second, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal lie in a same plane. They lie in a one line. They lie in a same plane. Question number 6. What is lateral inversion? In an image formed by a mirror, the left of an object appears on the right and the right appears on the left. This is known as lateral inversion. This is a question for 2 marks. Lateral inversion का meaning होता है guys, when we raise our left hand, it appears right in the mirror, and similarly, if we raise our right hand, it appears left in the mirror. This is called as lateral inversion. 7th question is, differentiate between regular and diffuse reflection. This is the important question for 2 marks from this chapter. Regular reflection and diffuse reflection. When all the parallel rays reflected from a plane surface are not parallel, when the parallel rays reflected from a plane surface are not parallel, this reflection is known as diffused or irregular reflection. Regular reflection is the reflection from a smooth surface like mirror is called regular reflection. Guys, in diffuse reflection, it happens on rough surface. In regular reflection, the reflection happens on polished surfaces. Moving on. Question number 8 is, what is dispersion? This is an important question for 1 mark. There is splitting of light into its color is called dispersion. Question number 9, what is Braille? It is a question for 1 mark and the answer for it is, the most popular resource for visually challenged person is Braille. Okay guys, moving on to the 10th question. What is iris and what is pupil? And how is the pupil controlled? Guys, and how it is controlled, ये iris नहीं पूछा गया यहाँ पर. It is how is the pupil controlled. So this is a 3 marker question. Behind the cornea, cornea के पीछे there is a dark muscular structure. उसके पीछे एक dark muscular structure होता है उसको हम आइरिस कहते हैं। आइरिस के बीच में देयर इज अ स्मॉल ओपनिंग, उसके बीच में स्मॉल ओपनिंग होती है जिसे हम प्यूपिल कहते हैं। द साइज ऑफ द प्यूपिल इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द आइरिस। दिस इज हाउ pupil is controlled. This is an important 3-marker question. And moving on, 11th question, define cornea. What is cornea? This is a 2-marker important question. Let's have a look at this. The outer coat of the eye is white. It is tough, so it can protect the interior of the eye from accidents. Its transparent front part is called cornea. Another important 2-marker question is here. What is blind spot? Blind spot is a small area of the retina insensitive to light where the optic nerves leaves the eye. Blind spot क्या होती है? Blind spot वो small area होता है retina का जो insensitive होता है light को, where the optic nerve leaves the eye, जहाँ पर optic nerve आई को लीव करती है. दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट 2-marker क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट diagram from this chapter. I have told you in my diagram video also. If you haven't watched most important diagram for class 8, do watch that video. I will give the link of that video in the description of this video. Human eye diagram. It is an important question for 3 marks from this chapter. This is a diagram of human eye. That was all for this video, guys. So guys, again reminding, this Saturday I'm going to conduct doubt clearing on my channel. So do fill the Google form in the description box and you can ask your doubts from any chapter. Guys, if you have any suggestions that of which chapter video should I bring next in this important question series, do let me know in the comment box. And smash the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. And guys, thank you. We are a family of 63 subscribers. Let's make it 70. Guys, take care. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye guys.